Hi guys, final on the welding cart. This is a Alpha 200X AC/DC TIG machine with stick. It'll do aluminum, stainless steel, just about anything you need to do. We got a flat bar in the front here with pipe in it for holding some pliers. Round here, flat bar, so you can put clamps on it, wire brush. There's the wheels in the front pivots, you can move it around easy. It's got a wide wheelbase, so it's not top heavy, real solid. Back side argon bottle, just drops out the back, easy to get it out. On-off extension cord. Spin it around, get this side of it. Alright, the leads. Storage in the front. Grinders, hood, gloves. Magnets all over the place. Alright guys, that's it. Desert Rat 2000's a channel. Subscribe. Got a good cameraman. My grandson's doing it for me. Thank you, Liam.
Yeah. Hey.
All right, guys. See you next time.
Bye.